I died for you, and you let them return. You hold the same flag I bled for, but you wave it like a white cloth of surrender. I see your politicians, fat with foreign money, bloated with betrayal. Ariel Henry, you sit in the chair I fought to build, but your hands are soaked in silence. You're not leading. You're managing the funeral of a nation. Michel Martelly, you sold this country for applause and power. A clown in a crown. Laurent Lamotte, you whispered freedom, but you danced in chains. And you, those of you in the shadows, behind the masks, behind the guns, you are not soldiers. You are thieves, cowards, kidnappers of your own blood. You sell babies, burn grandmothers, ransom children for the price of a cell phone. And then you run to church, crosses around your neck, while the devil hides in your pocket. You dare to call yourself leaders? Even Jovenel, they wronged him. They killed him, not for what he did, but because he refused to go along with the devil's plan. Now his blood joins mine in the soil. I walk the streets I once marched through. I see no army, no people ready to rise. Only fear, only silence, only smoke. You were supposed to be free. Not this. Not a country where a child prays not for food, but not to be taken. Not a place where our sisters are dragged away and our brothers kill for scraps. You have become what I fought to destroy. You've made the colonizers proud. And to the foreign hands still feeding this fire, France, America, the UN, you may not wear the chains, but you own the key. I see you. I've always seen you. But hear me now. The choice I gave them is the same I give you. Liberty or death. Liberté ou lanmò. If you do not rise, I will. Not as a man, not as a martyr, but as fire. And this time, I am not here to free you. I am here to judge you. If this moved you, if this fire touched you, don't let it die here. Share it. Speak it. Stand with it. Because silence is betrayal, and the time is now.